Why were Kazakhs called Cumans? A frequently encountered opinion regarding the word Cuman is that it is used in the meaning of pale yellow. Additionally, ethnonyms found in Western sources, such as Valani, Kuni, Kunsak, Polovets, Sorochinetses, Serb, Tatar, and Seri Kipchak, are also considered to mean yellow and are thought to be synonymous with the word Polovi, pale, yellowish. However, the researcher Adilbek Ishanbekuli, based on various sources, does not support giving the terms Cuman and Polovtsi, another name for the Cumans, a racial or ethnic connotation. According to his interpretation, the name Polovets actually means of the Golden Horde. This is because in Turkic languages, the words kun, sun, and sari, yellow, do not only indicate color but also carry elevated meanings such as golden, great, wealthy, ruler, celestial, hot, summer, and bright. Furthermore, ancient Turks and their rulers believed that they were created from the heavens, the sun, the moon, and the earth. Historically, the territory of the Golden Horde was also referred to as the Blue Horde, Kak Orda, and the White Horde, Ak Orda. As an example, he cites the ancient city of Shahrukh and its ruler Seri Khan. According to Ishanbekuli, the name Shahrukh Khan refers to Seri Khan and his Khanate, empire, or possibly Sorochineth, yellowish or golden empire. This name, in turn, is considered synonymous with concepts such as Seri Shah, Seri Uy, or Sarai, Golden Horde, Sun Horde. These interpretations are further supported by names such as Gardariki or Khazaric in Scandinavian sources, as well as Hunigardr in the writings of the German chronicler Helmold. Helmold connects the name Hunigardr with the Huns and claims it means shining cities. Therefore, Hunigardr could be interpreted as Sun Celestial Horde, or a variation of Kangar and Kongarat. Moreover, the name Gardariki corresponds geographically to the territory of Kipchak Empire, and is semantically similar to the French Horde d'Or, Golden Horde, Golden House, Yellow House, the Persian Zarina Shar, and the Genoese name, Khazaria. Adilbek Ishanbekuli also notes that the term Poliaus aligns in meaning with the Scythian names Paloi, Paralada, Halmavarga, and Skoloti, which were used to describe sun warriors, or royal Saka. Even the ancient name Palauli, a people known in Asia Minor 5,000 years ago as those in shining armor, helps to further reveal the meaning behind the term Polovtsi. Furthermore, in the ancient Tocharian language, the word for gold is rendered as Uas or Yasa, which corresponds with the name of the Kipchak capital and ancient Sarmatian names. Additionally, in the ancient Sumerian language, the word ku or kuk means gold or precious. Thus it is clear that the names Cuman and Kuk Turik, Celestial Turk or Golden Horde, also carry the same meaning. In this context, Adilbek Ishanbekuli connects the concept of Polovtsi to the Greek Kroios Police and Latin Paleo Aureus, stating that these names mean royal palace, shining, people from the Golden City, or of the Golden Horde, while the word police itself means city. This name is closely related to the honorific titles of Kipchak rulers such as Oba Altin, Golden Hill or Castle, Urus Oba, Orush Oba, and the concepts of Bilik, power, Baulik, wealth, Uli Ulis, great nation, and Khan Balik, Khan city.